This is a true story. My friend Gabriel, he now is a multi-millionaire out in Miami, Florida, guys. Multiple cars, McLarens, Lambos that spit fire, multiple houses. He's killing it, guys. Well, I remember finding Gabriel when he struggled with mentor, and he was over $20,000 in debt, and he wanted to start a Shopify store, and he was a part of my masterclass, and I was teaching him, and he started succeeding, he started winning. But it was this one product that became him basically a millionaire, and it was the black mask. So let me go ahead and put that up right now, guys. The black mask changed Gabriel's life forever. It paid for his wedding, with fireworks and guys, $1 million wedding because of this black mask. So one product can change your life, and that's what I want to share with you guys today. Gabriel, he had a mindset, a vision, a dream. He believed in himself. He had the confidence, guys. He had everything that it took. He just needed the product. He needed the model. Okay, something that was going to take off. He had everything else. And that's what it is that I do for my students, guys. I actually handpick products, and I handpick basically a business, a model, something that's viral right now, and I basically give it to them with my team helping them grow this business, guys, a Shopify brand, something viral right now. And that's what I helped Gabriel do. So this story started off, he was, $20,000 in debt. His wife was really mad at him, and he was getting ready to go to Las Vegas to an event. And I just got back from an event in San Diego, and I told him, Gabriel, look, you got to try this black mask. It's crushing it right now. Just try it out. So before he got on the airplane, he bought the domain, theblackmask.com. He opened up the fan page, theblackmask.com fan page. He opened up every channel, guys, and he was already making sales by the time he got off the airplane. That is the mindset and the action that you need to have. And that's what Gabriel did, and that's where his journey started, guys. So it starts somewhere, and one product can change your life, guys. I believe in you, and I know it can happen. It can happen. It happened for me. It can happen for me. It can happen for you guys. So definitely, if you like this channel, you like what you're hearing, comment, subscribe, and check it out, guys. I love to connect and help you find a winning product yourself, guys. Handpicked by me. Let's go.